There's no doubt the drone industry is getting bigger and bigger all the time. It's currently projected to be worth $82 billion by 2032. So, with all these new drones entering our skies, rules and regulations are inevitably going to need a swift update to keep up. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest regulations that could completely change the drone industry. And the last one, let's just say it's a humdinger, especially if you like flying pizzas. Counter-drone enforcement powers. As the notorious BIG once said, more money, more problems. And the same sentiment applies to drones. The risk of them going rogue has never been greater, with governments wary of them being used for all kinds of bad stuff. Illegal surveillance, weapons, smuggling, and that's just naming a few. Some countries are starting to fast-track rules that allow police to detect, disable, and even shoot down rogue drones. It's after recent incidents in Europe when flights at Germany's Munich airport were grounded after reports of drone sightings, leaving 6,500 passengers stranded. So what's the lesson here? First and foremost, we need solid rules to keep bad drones grounded, and Germany's already showing everyone how it's done. Revised right-of-way in airspace. Ever found yourself confused at a 4-way stop sign? Who should go next and why? I might be oversharing about my poor driving skills now. But anyway, right-of-way rules for airspace are set to undergo a major shakeup, which could affect all kinds of pilots. Under the FAA's new Part 108 BVLOS proposal, drones could actually get right-of-way over some manned aircraft in specific situations. A total flip from the old drones always yield rule. There'll be pushback, no doubt, but in a world where drones can deliver critical medicine, maybe giving them right-of-way isn't such a crazy idea? 3. Remote identification. As of now, if you spot a drone in the sky, it's anyone's guess what it's there to do. Is it filming B-roll for a movie? Is it inspecting a power line? Or is it spying on me? Well, in the very near future, you could access an app, scan the drone in question, and you'd immediately be presented with its identity, position, and operator, almost like a digital license plate. It won't be plain sailing though. Older drone models might require retrofitting in order to broadcast their ID mid-flight, and not everyone will want to share their information with the public. Research is already underway for drones to broadcast fuzzy or encrypted IDs to remain hidden, but still have authority insight. I wonder if you'll be able to get personalized plates. 2. Enhanced Unmanned Aircraft System Traffic Management. You've seen those big control towers at airports, right? Well, Enhanced Unmanned Aircraft System Traffic Management, or UTM, is basically air traffic control, but for drones. And it'll manage the skies in a few key ways. First, dynamic route allocation. Instead of locking in on a flight path from A to B, UTM can auto-approve and reroute drones on the fly if weather shifts or another drone crosses their path. Second, automated deconfliction. If 2 drones are about to have a head-on-head collision, computers will tell them to slow down or change course. No human pilots needed, like a digital buffer zone in the sky. Third, corridor priority. UTM will create aerial highways, grouping drones by type or purpose, so an emergency medical drone could zip through first while your pizza delivery waits its turn. Sorry. All of this adds up to smarter, safer, more efficient skies, where thousands of drones can share the same airspace without creating chaos. Number 1. Routine BVLOS operations. This is the holy grail of commercial drone operations, the change that could redefine the entire industry. Right now, most drone flights have to stay where a pilot can actually see them. That's what's called visual line of sight, or VLOS. If a drone flies beyond that range, BVLOS, it's a whole different story. You need special approval and it's handled on a case-by-case basis. Routine BVLOS flights would remove that barrier altogether and mean drones can fly autonomously or remotely over long distances without a pilot watching them from the ground. And that unlocks a whole new world of possibilities. Drones like the ZenaDrone IQ² could be checking power lines that stretch for miles. The ZenaDrone 1000 could be mapping and spraying massive farms, or even flying into disaster zones we can't reach ourselves. That's exactly why BVLOS is such a game changer. It's the gateway to industrial scale drone operations. Without it, drones still are just niche tools. but with it, they become a key part of how we move goods, gather data, and respond to emergencies. So, there you have it. BVLOS is about to change the way we fly drones forever, or should I say, the way drones fly themselves. What do you reckon? How do you think our skies will be policed once thousands of drones are buzzing overhead? Drop your predictions in the comments. If you're tired of navigating all the rules and regulations that come with flying drones, check out droneasaservice.com. We handle the red tape, you handle the innovation.